everyone, and welcome back again to Military TV. NATO has announced the selection of the Boeing E-7A Wedgetail as its new airborne early warning and control platform, marking a significant upgrade for its aging fleet. This decision aligns with broader NATO efforts to modernize capabilities, with the US Air Force and the UK also transitioning to the E-7 to replace their E-3 fleets. Turkey, having already adopted the E-7, contributes to NATO's overall continuity and commonality. The NATO Support and Procurement Agency, responsible for multinational acquisition and support for the alliance, has outlined plans to acquire 6 E-7A aircraft as the initial phase of the Initial Alliance Future Surveillance and Control Initiative. This procurement will be facilitated through U.S. foreign military sales channels. The E-7, built on a modified Boeing 737 airframe, features a Northrop Grumman multi-role electronically scanned array radar as its primary mission sensor, offering air and sea search capabilities. Notably, its robust communications and data sharing capabilities enable seamless information exchange with friendly assets in the air, at sea, and on the ground. In the context of modern air combat operations, this platform, like the E-7, plays a vital role in detecting and tracking multiple threats, monitoring specific areas of the battle space, and facilitating command and control functions. The NATO Support and Procurement Agency, in collaboration with support partnership nations including Belgium, Germany, Luxembourg, the Netherlands, Norway, Romania, and the United States, undertook a comprehensive assessment process. Considering factors such as requests for information, price, and availability, and insights from previous E-7 acquisition programs worldwide, the NSPA and support partnership nations concluded that the E-7A is uniquely positioned to fulfill NATO's operational requirements and key performance parameters, aligning with the planned retirement of NATO's current E-3 fleet around 2035. The initial operational capability for the E-7A is targeted for 2031. Factors contributing to the selection of the Wedgetail included economies of scale, commonality, and interoperability resulting from the multinational acquisition of military off-the-shelf platforms. This vision aligns with the U.S. Air Force's consideration of the E-7 as a transitional solution between the E-3 retirement and future space-based radar capabilities. The emphasis on resilient and less vulnerable distributed space-based networks reflects a broader trend in military planning. In summary, NATO's decision to adopt the Boeing E-7A Wedgetail represents a significant milestone in enhancing the alliance's readiness and capabilities. The selection reflects a strategic, multinational approach to addressing the evolving security challenges, fostering interoperability, and contributing to NATO's collective defense. That's the end of this video. We hope you found it informative. Share your insights and opinions in the comments below. Your engagement is valued, and we look forward to catching you in the next video. See you next time.